Every smoker's and ex-smoker's lungs are most likely full with toxins. However, there is a way for you to cleanse your lungs. You should just make this miraculous beverage, that has powerful healing properties, and that is made of only 3 ingredients. Those ingredients are onion, ginger, and turmeric. People have been using ginger for ages now thanks to its healing properties. The ginger is very beneficial, among other things, for eliminating the extra mucus in the lungs. The onion is one of the most commonly used ingredients in the kitchen, and it is very beneficial thanks to its anti-cancer properties. Onion is known to be one of the best fighters against many malignant conditions. This vegetable is particularly efficient in preventing diseases of the respiratory system. Turmeric is a spice abundant in vitamins and minerals, as well as in high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. Turmeric is also known for its potent antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties. That is exactly why you should include turmeric in your everyday dietary regimen. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 400 grams of onion, 2 tablespoons of powdered turmeric, or a turmeric root in the size of a thumb, 400 grams of sugar, or honey or maple syrup as a healthier option, a ginger root, in the size of a thumb. Preparation: mix the water and the sugar, and place the mixture on heat. Wait until it starts boiling. Chop the ginger and the onions, and add them to the water and sugar mixture. When the mixture is well boiled, add the turmeric to it, and lower the temperature the mixture boils at to medium. Let the mixture cook until only 1/2 of the total amount is left in the container. Then, strain the remaining mixture and put it in a glass container. Store the container in the fridge, but only after it has cooled to a room temperature. You should consume this elixir on a daily basis, 2 tablespoons of it both in the morning and in the evening, at least 2 hours after the meal.